Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is the famous wonton, which is called 馄饨 by northerners, 抄手 by people living in Sichuan, 云吞 by southerners. About the origin of wonton, I have a little story. According to legend, in the spring and autumn period of ancient China, King Fuchai of Wu ruled his kingdom but grew weary of extravagant delicacies. His beautiful wife, Xi Shi, understanding his sentiments, decided to personally cook a special dish for him. King Fuchai, tasting the food, with a satisfied expression on his face, he asked, "What kind of treat is it?" Xi Shi said, "It's called wonton." Since then, the delicious wontons has been spread among the people. Okay, just a beautiful legend. Let's get started. First, make a dough. Prepare 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, 50 milliliters of water. Add egg, water to the flour. Stir with chopsticks. Knead and form a dough. Cover with plastic wrap. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Dust some flour on the work surface. Tip the rested dough on it. Roll it out a thin big cake with a rolling pin, as thin as possible. The addition of egg makes the wrapper more resilient and not easy to break. Fold the whole cake. The width is about 5 to 6 centimeters, just like this. Remove the ends. Divide into 8 portions. Also remove the edges of each part, so that you can get separate wrappers. You can sprinkle some potato starch to prevent sticking. Next, make the fillings. Add 9 grams of ginger and 8 grams of scallion to a bowl. Pour into 100 milliliters of hot water to get scallion and ginger water. The purpose is to remove the fishy smell of pork. Prepare minced pork, about 150 grams. The ratio of fat to lean is 1 to 9. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of potato starch. Add seasonings to the minced pork. Then add scallion and ginger water. Water can be added in batches. About 4 tablespoons. Mix well. Take one wrapper, put some fillings on it. Roll it up. Pinch the ends. Press them together, just like this. Do the same for the rest wrappers. In fact, this is not the only way to make wontons. As long as you don't let the wonton fillings leak out, any method can be tried. Make the wonton soup. Some nori, 1/2 teaspoon of chopped scallion, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add them to a bowl. Boil in a pot of water. Add wontons. Don't cook too much at one time. Boiling until the wontons float and the wrapper becomes transparent. Transfer to the bowl. Delicious pork wonton soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.